but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
Hi guys, we're doing another video, balloon challenge. So stay tuned up to the end. Pardon. So we're doing a balloon challenge. As you can see, you're supposed to push those tins using a balloon. So let's see how it will go. So in one, we have a timer. Here's our timer. 1 minute. So you're supposed to push those balloons, those cups in 1 minute. So in 1, 2, 3, start. Aya. So we have a balloon. We have the balloons. So these balloons, you're supposed to fill them with air, then push push these party cups towards this end. Okay, as you're pushing them, this is the periphery. They're supposed to fall between this edge. Ikianguka hii side inamaanisha ni wrong, anaokota anaanza kuanzia nyuma. Ikianguka hii side bado ni wrong, anaokota anaanzisha. So the goal is uzisukume zote zikuje to the edge. Are you ready?
Yes.
Sawa. Ay, wait, we're gonna start again. So in 1, 2, 3, we start. Baluni yake imeweza kuanguka mapema. Round haraka. Ukuje huku. Amka ukuje chukue. Tada! Guys, we have our winner. We have our winner. That's 1 minute. They've really tried, by the way. And the winner is Kolo. Kolo has taken the lead. So far, umewin games 2. Melvin amekuwa number 2 kwa games 2. Sawa. Bye guys. We meet in our next video. Bye.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my